What is up, guys? What is up? Here leaving the beach, going to pick up my boy. And guys, I'm making this video because it's I think this is a skill set that a lot of traders don't realize that is actually one of the most powerful things that you can do in your trading, in your strategy. And it's actually one of the hardest things, truly, I promise. Once I tell you, you're gonna be like, damn, you're right. And it is kind of hard for me to do that. But before we get into the video, let me tell you guys, today we took a clean 1 to 2 right before the market tanked and everybody got liquidated. Same thing happened last time. We cleaned out a clean 1 to 2. It was only a 1 to 2, which is perfectly fine. And then market tanked, and then I started getting messages. Oh man, I lost this amount of money, I lost that amount of money. Oh crap. Like, again, the market took a nasty dump today, 400 points. But before we get into that, remember, trade safe, guys. Every single day we are on there live trading. Remember, guys, nobody's gonna give you the value. You're gonna get the trade safe indicator, which is going to, and please, let's not call it an indicator, let's call it the tool, right, that is going to teach you discipline, right? Teach you the discipline to not overtrade, be greedy, all that good stuff, which you guys need. That is the number one. Actually, with what I'm about to tell you, that is the number one thing that is going to save you from blowing accounts, right? So if you want to check that out, the link is in the description, of course. And remember, like the video, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But let's get into the video. So one of the greatest assets that you will learn as a trader, and hear me out on this, is the ability to simply not take a trade. So let's think about that. Let's elaborate on that. Sitting on your hands, right? Simply just not taking a trade. Okay. So, you know, I think it was Warren Buffett or one of these old guys that said, a dollar saved is a dollar earned, right? Fair enough. That's a pretty easy thing to understand. And so if we just equate that to actually day trading, guys, think about it. If you were to just sit on your hands, if some of the people would have just simply not traded today, they wouldn't have lost any money, right? And guys, let me tell you that was one of the hardest things for me to do, was just not take a trade. So what did I do? To practice this, I basically I put money into a live broker, and I made sure that for a week I looked at the market, and no matter what, I simply just didn't take a trade. It didn't matter. What I did was I back tested. So in TradingView, you can hit your long or short, and I simply back tested. I put my long and my short, but just not taking a trade, guys, that can be so powerful to your strategy, because there are going to be days that it simply is just not worth trading. Now, I mean, you could have taken advantage of shorts today, right? I didn't see shorts coming. I saw longs coming today, in which I cleaned out a 1 to 2. And after that, the market just tanked. But the case is, guys, that, you know, I think what's more important is, you know, just the ability to not trade. It's so hard to do, guys. It really is. And why, I don't know. And, you know, maybe if, you know, people who have kind of like challenges and all that good stuff, you buy a challenge and you just feel this need to get in there, right, and make money and all this good stuff, guys. But let me tell you something, that there's plenty of days that volume is shit. There's plenty of days that, you know, price is just wanting to liquidate you both ways. It's chopped. And the thing is that if you don't have the ability to spot these days, then what's going to happen is you're going to get stop. Your stop is going to get hit. You're probably going to get pissed. You're going to be over leveraging, and you're going to, you know, go into this spiral effect of, you know, what happens to most traders. So again, I think that try it out for yourself, guys. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. I love it because it's something that, you know, it's not easy to do, and it's like, take it like a challenge, right? Make it a challenge for you guys. See if you're capable of it. I know in the beginning I had a really hard time with it. See if you're capable of it. See if you can, you know, if you have a challenge or you have a live account, try to just not trade. I guarantee you most of you won't be able to. And it's just because most of you are beginners. The people who watch, you know, content and this, you want to learn. You're still basically a beginner. A pro trader has that under wraps. They know when to stay out. They know when to get in. They know when to press hard. They know when to double up trades. But before you can double up trades, before you can, you know, get in a trade very heavy, you gotta know when to stay out of the market, right? And I'm telling you, I truly think that's an ability that is just so hard to do. It's not, you know. So again, take it as a challenge for you guys, and see if you can do it. I'm gonna make this video a short one today because, you know, I just wanted to come on here to talk about that because I heard it in one of these videos. But yeah, looking forward to see you guys in the live sessions every morning, and you know, looking forward to hear some feedback. Let me know in the comments what is something that you are struggling with currently, guys. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.